Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with convenient Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using SMS Passcode. In this authentication method, you receive a text message with an OTP code. This convenient and universal method doesn't require you to install any applications and can be used on any device capable of receiving text messages. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. Now Rublon sends me a text message. I open the text message and enter the one-time code. And I'm logged into Windows. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, phone call and SMS link, email, as well as mobile push. Enable secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.